Hi, so welcome to Venki's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So this is Venkatesh. So today we are mainly focused about one of the technique of ensembling bagging. So what is full form of bagging? Bagging means be nothing but a bootstrapping. That's next one, aggregation. Is it clear? What we call like a bagging technique. It is one of the ensembling technique. For reducing the overfit. I think all of you know that what is overfit. We are occurring of overfit. What is the main problem with the overfit? Is it clear? Okay. So bagging is mainly focused on reducing the variance. Is it clear? How they reduce the variance? That means here we are combining different types of base models or weak learner models. Is it clear? Okay. So here bootstrap means what I say simply say that in maybe diagram representation. For example, it is your data set. It is a data set. The data set D is a data set. The data set contains F number of features. So features means number of columns. I think all of you know that. Features means number of columns. Is it clear? Next. D is a data set. F is a features. Next one then. N is a number of rows. So how many number of items are there in my data set? That is a N. Is it clear? The main data set, D is a data set, F is a features, N is a number of rows. Okay. Now the n summing we are combining more than one model. Here we are applying of this is a model 1. Is it clear? Next it is a model 2. Next so model 3. So on a model n. Is it clear? 4 different models. Now this data set is divided in different sub data sets. Sub data set. That means maybe a D1 is one of the data sub data set, D2 is a sub data set, D3 so on, Dn is a sub data set. That means D1 less than D, D2 less than D. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? That means these all are subsets. All are subsets. Okay. So this data set is given to the training purpose, given to the one model. Again, the data set given to the one model. Next, these are the data set is fed to the different models. By using row-wise sampling method. Sampling method. Is it clear? Row-wise and sampling method. So the data set is given training to the particular model. We are not given the entire data set. The entire data set is a D. But data set, so this is a D1 data set given to the M1, D2 is given to M2, D3 and Dn. But these all are subsets. These all are subsets. That means, sir, how this? That means what you say that, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. That means 1, 2, 3, these data set given to the M1, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 given. So this data set given to M2. This is not absolutely wrong. Because of here sampling is given to sampling by using of row wise sampling method replacement. What is a row wise replacement sampling method? Replacement. That means for example 1, 2, 3, 4 is given to the first data, first model. The next one is maybe replaced. That automatically is given maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So that's why we are applying a row wise replacement method. So this is also very important question for a GATE exam. Is it clear? Okay. So that's why. So D1 is maybe replace row wise replacement sampling method given. D2 also one other, but all are maybe subsets. Okay. That means this data set is spread to the all the models. This is called a bootstrapping. Bootstrapping. Is it clear? Bootstrap means one data set is a spread to the different models by using a row-wise replacement sampling method. This is called a bootstrapping. This is a bootstrapping. Bootstrap means how the data set is spread to the different models by using a which method. That is called a bootstrapping. That means each and every model we are using of different data. So finally, you get a first model given some output, and next model given some output, next model given output, next model given a some output. So these finally get these are predictions. So that's why these are called ML now. This will get a prediction. So finally get a prediction. In case of this is applied for a classification, then for example output 1 given final output is yes, next one for first model output yes, second model output y, next model output no, next model output y. That means in case of it is classification, we will find out all the outputs, aggregate all the outputs, we take in the majority of voting. What is the majority? Y. So y is the final output. In case of classification, we are taking the majority output. Is it clear? No, sir. This is completely a regression technique. Then what is the output? For example, regression means, I think all of you know that. Regression means we get only one value, that absolute value. It may be continuous value. So first model given 2.4, second model 1.4, next model 2.2, second model 3.2, like that. Is it clear? So there, in case of regression, we are aggregating all the values. We finally get some value, the mean value. Is it clear? So that is the main difference. That means this is applied for maybe classification or regression. Is it clear? So this entire technique is the best example of bagging is called a random forest. Random forest. Is it clear? Then sir, what is difference between random forest and bagging? Random forest is one of the method of a bagging technique. First one. Next one. The bagging means how the data set is spread to the different models by using which method. That is only a that is called bagging. But bagging is bootstrapping and aggregation. How the applying of bootstrapping and aggregation that can be applied in a random forest method or model. What will happening of random forest model? In random forest model, we have prepared models only a decision trees. The model only a decision trees only. Decision trees. In decision tree finally get an output. That output may be a absolute values or continuous value. Then we get it is called a regression. Then we are taking the aggregate values. In for example, by maybe our output may be prediction yes or no, then we are taking the majority of voting, that is called a classification. So that's why in exam point of view, explain about bagging, that we bootstrapping, then you explain the entire diagram, model 1, model 2, model 3, model and model n. In case of exam point of view, explain about random forest, then you simply replacing a model with replace with a decision tree. Remaining process same. Is it clear? I think all of you understand. If you have any queries, please comment in my channel. Thank you.